Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition Online lesson on SEMrush's link building tool. Many marketers new to link building know from articles they've read that building links is an important part of their search engine optimization efforts because Google assesses the number and quality of the links that point to a particular website as an indicator of whether search engine users want to visit that website. Digital marketers are often asking what's the most powerful tool for link building. We posit that one of the best tools for beating your competition online through link building is through the use of SEMrush's link building tool. With it, you run competitive analysis on your SEO rivals and operate an outreach campaign at the same time. The tool provides you with the following: large lists of outreach prospects based on target keywords and competitors, built-in workflow to manage the outreach process, Gmail and Google Search Console integration, automatic contact information retrieval for target websites, a monitor report to follow your campaign's progress over time. Let us see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the link building section of the left sidebar where you will find the link building tool, which we will click. If we didn't yet have our project created, we would begin by clicking the blue Create Project button in the top left. As we already created our project, we'll just enter its name in the search bar, in our case Dominoes, and click the blue Setup button. Now we are prompted to enter some keywords, which we think would be useful to our campaign. We will start with 3 that relate to jobs at Domino's, because in this sample campaign we want to promote more backlinks back to our jobs site so we can hire more delivery drivers. The keywords we will enter are Domino's Pizza Delivery Driver Jobs, Domino's Careers, Jobs at Domino's. Then we will click Add, then Competitors below the list. Now we can enter specific competitors we want to perform and click Add, or just use the pre-filled list that SEMrush provides. Now click the green Start Link Building button. There are basically 4 steps to the link building process. Step 1. Search for link prospects by their source. Get the results that you need by filtering prospective links we've found for you and adding new ones by their source. Step 2. Select the best link prospects. Determine the value of each link prospect by checking its rating, which includes additional information for each domain. Move the best prospects to your in-progress list to start earning backlinks. Step 3. Start reaching out. Grant the SEMrush tool access to your Gmail account to easily contact domain owners to acquire backlinks. Use customizable email templates for your outreach strategies. Once you've earned a backlink, start tracking its status. And finally, Step 4. Track backlink visibility. Monitor your backlinks. If you spot lost or broken backlinks, move them back to your in-progress list and instantly contact your link partners to fix them. Easily change the referring URL you'd like to track. Now next to Mailbox, let's click Add. Out of the box, SEMrush supports Gmail, Outlook, Office 365, Exchange Online, and SMTP IMAP servers. SMTP and IMAP are not yet fully supported, though it should be shortly. So let's click to allow Gmail to integrate with SEMrush. We then get a message that some backlink prospects were discovered, and we will click the green button to view those analyzed and collected prospects. Rather than being taken to the overview as with most tools, in the link building tool we are directly taken to the prospects report. We see the number of prospects, keywords, and competitors at the top. Now let's sort by domain score, so we can easily identify a couple of prospects by target. Ideally, we'd want to identify those link building opportunities that have a high domain score, high trust score, and a high rating. Facebook.com/Dominoes would suffice, and so we want to be sure to post more Facebook links. We can click the blue Add With button and decide which strategy we want to use to get that link. Our options for outreach strategy are manual link, which is for sites with user-generated content, directory or catalog, add link to article, product review, link from mention, which is when somebody has mentioned your brand on their page but not yet added a link to you, guest post, recover lost backlinks, which is where, due to changes in your site, backlinks that went to a specific page no longer operate properly. And if you're starting to work on a site or are in the auditing process, you can do this once or occasionally. You can also take a more active stance in managing your backlinks on your website by iterating the process during major site changes or even on a regular basis. Now let us return to the prospects and see the prospect for Reddit, which is a user-generated platform. We will click the blue button to add a manual link. Now we can add more or just click the In Progress header tab. There we see our Reddit prospect, but notice that the Send Email button is disabled because we wouldn't need or want to send an email for user-generated content. Rather, we would just go to Reddit and begin posting backlinks. Now once done, we could return to this tool and click the green checkbox, which would indicate we had completed the task and effectively moved this prospect to the Monitored tab. Once we've done that, we return to the top and click the Monitor Header tab. Here we have a chart, and more importantly, a table of all the relevant, active, broken, lost, undefined, and rejected backlinks, which can be sorted and filtered. By the way, do not forget to connect your Google Search Console account at the top, where it indicates Connect GSC. Thanks, and see you in the next video.